Hello everyone and welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This morning we are doing some outside pictures and videos. Just a beautiful day out. The lighting is just right, so we're going to do some outside pictures and videos. Check out this 1957 Chevrolet 150. This car is absolutely stunning. It has had a frame-off nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Has a 350 crate engine under the hood, 700 R4 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, vintage heat and air conditioning. Has that nostalgic look with the steel wheels, with the dog dish hubcaps. All the stainless trim, all the chrome bumpers, everything's been replaced on this car when it was restored. The bottom side of this car is no different than the top. It is absolutely stunning. All the interior has been all redone. Check out the door gaps, the panel fitment. This car was built by a professional restoration shop. It has only 77 miles on it since restoration, and it shows. This thing is just absolutely stunning. The glass is all perfect in the car. The chrome trim, the door handles, like I say, all that bright work. Just fabulous. Got a little bug on there. Check out the panel fitment, the gaps, the alignment. Trim around all the windows. The front and back anyway. The side windows don't have the trim on it, but dash is just stunning. Retro radio, say vintage heat and air conditioning. All the gauges have been all rebuilt. Headliners new, package tray, front and rear seats, carpet. Does have front seat belts in it. I don't see rear seat belts. Has front though. I will put this car up on the hoist here in just a little while after we get done with our test drive, and I'll pop some undercarriage pictures of it so you can see what the underneath of it looks like as well. You can see the chrome bumpers, the chrome trim up front, all just stunning. No pitting, no imperfections in the front bumper, front chrome. Aluminum radiator. Say power steering, power brakes, air, electric fan, Edelbrock carburetor. Just a very, very nice, high quality build. Car runs great, drives great. I'll start it up here for you quick. It's always just really nice when you get a car like this in and you can just picture it and video it. The car is ready to go. So it came from a very, very good builder. I got two cars from the same gentleman. We got this one and we got a 55 Bel Air hardtop as well. There you see 77 miles on it. It does have the overdrive transmission with the overdrive in the dash there. Left turn, right turn, bright headlight indicator. The horn don't work. Wonder why. Glove box. Sounds great. There's receipts alone and just parts alone. I think there's $52,000 worth of parts the guy stuck in this car. And obviously that doesn't include the cost of the car or the labor to do it. if you're going to build a car to this quality, you're going to have $125,000 or more, $150,000 maybe, to build a car like this. Awesome running car. Air blows ice cold, drives great. Beautiful ride. See how nice the paint is. Just look out over top of the hood. Car goes down the road nice and drives nice, and all the brake lines and fuel lines and e-brake cables, all that stuff is all brand new underneath this car. Odometer works. We got 70, 80 miles on it now. 70, 75 mile an hour right down the highway. This car's ready for you. Ready for you to take to car shows, enjoy this car. Your friends are going to be in awe when they see this thing. The body and paint is just so slick on it. As you can see, we'll turn around here and I'll do another little video quick. I know usually I do the videos and pictures inside, so I stop here and do another little outside video, but I'll do it here again anyway, even though we already seen the car outside. I'll try to get you a little more up close and personal with the paint and the fitment. That way you can just see how great a car it is. I'm sure if some dealers would have this car priced at $129,900. Just look how nice and straight that car is. What a gorgeous ride. I'm probably going to price this car right around $100,000. I'm not going to price it at $129,000 or $139,000 like some folks would do. So it's super quality. I don't see any imperfections in the paint or body on this car. I don't see any scratches, dings, dents. I mean, it's just a gorgeous ride. Some people might not like those wheels with the hubcaps on it. You're, welcome to put some different wheels and tires on it. I like the look. Usually if I get a car in here and I don't like the look, or I think it's gonna, be, everybody's gonna like it better with different wheels or tires on it. See, look how nice that chrome is and stainless. And the door handles, the mirrors, just everything on it. Just as good as it gets, I think. Say, this car would probably look really, really good with a really nice set of like 18s and 20s chrome US mags or something on it. But about the time I change it, somebody's going to say, I liked it better the way it was before. So I'll leave it alone. And it sure makes one heck of a difference with that overdrive transmission in this car. I mean, you're going down the road right now, we're going 70, 72 mile an hour. There's not a tack, but it sounds like it's probably turning around 1,700 RPMs, 1,800 maybe. It's something you can get in and drive and enjoy going down the interstate at 70, 75 mile an hour and not be turning 3,500 or 4,000 RPM. So that's always a bonus. Air conditioning is ice cold in here. Say all new interior, headliner, package tray, visors, dash is just beautiful as well. Just one stunning car. Give us a call, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not already. Those of you who have, thank you very much. Really appreciate you watching all our videos. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll be back at you here in just a little while. I have 15 or 20 more to do, so talk to you soon.